Lights on.
Hey.
Will you help me blow them out, Amanda?
No. No, you have to do it all yourself, Dad.
Okay, I can.
What do you think, Ella? There's your dad.
He's a light candle.
March 23rd, 2012.
I got them all in one match.
One match.
Wow.
Very good,
Good
Grandma.
matches.
Okay. What do you want to sing?
You sing.
We'll all
We'll
sing.
all sing.
Okay.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Ready, Amanda? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my
Good
gosh.
job. Yay. Okay, now you have to clap, Amanda. Clap,
Clap,
clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap, clap.
Oh, Dad, go down your
He
candle.
did a great